Welcome to the channel, everyone. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make fresh lime tea. And fresh lime tea is good to hydrate your body. Also, it's good for digestion and also support and refresh citrus boost. So today I have some lime in my fridge I need to use up. I'm going to use about 3 to 4 lime and just a bit of ginger. The ginger is optional, and what the first thing you need to do, you need to squeeze some of the juice out of the lime, because you don't want to put it too straight into the hot water. Otherwise, you're going to kill most of the benefit of it. So you need about a whole lime. I'm going to squeeze for this particular refreshing lime tea. Next up, I'm going to get some slices of lime ready. So just go ahead and slice up like about a whole lime, because we want this nice and refreshing. And if you're new here, just to let you know you're welcome. And if you find value in this video, please do consider to like, share, and subscribe. This lime tea is very healthy and refreshing and delicious. So I'm using about an inch of ginger in this, just to give it a extra freshness of taste and flavor. But this is optional. You don't have to put it in it if you don't like ginger in it, but these two go well together. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to grate the ginger instead of chop it up, because when you grate it, you break up all those fiber. So when you put it in your warm water, it's all dissolve and extract that lovely nutrient and also the flavor. So what I'm going to do here, I have a tea pot. I'm going to put the ginger in it, and then I'm going to put some lime in it. So put as much as possible in it, because as you've seen, it's a lime tea, refreshing lime tea. Go ahead and pour your hot water over this one. And then I'm going to leave it for about a couple of minutes. I add in some honey, and the honey is optional. It's personal preference. After the honey and it cool down a bit, I'm going to add the fresh lime juice over it. It's very important, so that you get the full health benefit of it and the freshness of this refreshing lime tea. Its smoothing effect plus vitamin C and the refreshing flavor is so delicious. Try it and let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you like your lime tea, whether hot or cold. Go ahead, put 2 slices or 3 in it, as much as you want. That's all personal preference. Wow, this is so delicious and refreshing. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.